Hi there and welcome to today's Quentin Carpenter Nature of Flowers video. Today I'm going to show you how to make people disappear from a photo. Here's a picture I took at West Kennet Longbarrow the other day. See, there's 3 people in the picture I don't really want. And here's the picture without the people in it. So I'll show you how to do that. In some easy steps, we are going to be using the lasso tool, which is this one here. We're going to draw carefully around the people we want to remove. Once we have done that, we're going to right click the mouse and we're going to go to fill, and then we're going to make sure that the contents is on content aware. We're going to click OK. Once you've done that, the people magically vanish. Do that for each person in the photograph. Right click, fill, content aware, and they magically vanish. Now, even someone in front of the stones we can get rid of as well. If we carefully go around them and right click, fill, content aware, and there you go. Magically, people disappearing from a photograph, so you don't have to ruin your photos of a scene. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's my 400th video that I've made, so enjoy making people disappear. Okay, bye now.